Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the CSS tutorials. Today we are going to start the text properties, like how you can make your text more richer and more nicer. For any queries you can contact me at technical.trainer1909@gmail.com. So let's start with the text properties. First of all, it is the color property that we have seen a lot of times even in our HTML tutorials. So now we'll cover it a little more. It's like okay, let me show you that a quick demo for this. If you want to put any color on your paragraphs, so you can choose any color like this. So all your paragraphs will be in this particular color. So now when you just save it and you open it, you can see a paragraph in bluish color. So it will be applied on each and every paragraph. If you want, you can put it as h1 also. That means this particular property will be applied to your paragraph tag and the h1 tag. I just save it and refresh it. So now your heading and your paragraph are in the same color. You can give hexadecimal values or you can give the names also, or the RGBs. Another thing is we have the text align property, whether you want your text to be center aligned or justified or left aligned or right aligned. So I'll just write as the text align and I'll choose as the center. So remember to place a semicolon after the value, and if you just save it and refresh it, so both your headings and paragraph is gone to the center because you have chosen this for both P and H1 tags. So you can give some other values also, like left, right, center, justify and inherit. Inherit, it is basically the common property for all the common attribute for all the properties. It's like in this particular thing you do not mention any particular style. What you do, you inherit that value from the parent element. After the text align, we have the text decoration. From here something interesting starts, because the text align and the color you have already seen before. For the text decoration, it's like I want my paragraphs to be underlined. Only my paragraphs I want. So I'll just not put it over here. I'll just put it here. So if I just save it and refresh my page, so you can see my headings are not underlined, only my paragraphs are underlined, because I have given this particular property and its values in the paragraph tag, not in this common style. So like this you can place other values also, like overline is there. If I just save it and refresh my page, you can see a line is coming over the paragraph. It is not underline, it is the overline property. And after that you have blink. If you just save it, you can see your paragraph. And another thing, if you see the line through, a strike through line is there between your paragraphs. Another value is, you have seen all others, so now I can just put it as underline over here and save it. After the text decoration, this is how you decorate your text. You have text transform. Sometimes you want to feel your all the letters that are there in the text to be in capitalized, lowercase or uppercase. So what I'll write as the text transform and give the value as capitalize. So what capitalize will do, you can see the sample one, the original one, it has each and every letter as the small letters, only the T that is in the starting is in the capital letter. So if I just save it and refresh it, you can see the first letter of each and every one is capitalized. So if you put the value as capitalized over here, so your first letter of each and every word will be capitalized. If I put it as the lowercase, my all the values, all the words or all the letters will become small, and if I put it as the uppercase and save it, all the letters will be in the uppercase, they will capitalize. So I'll just put it as the uppercase over here and save it. We have text indent. Text indent, it basically, this property specifies the indentation of the first line of the text. We'll see it and you will come to know. As the text indent, it has the value, like if I want as the, if I give 5 centimeter as the value, and I'll remove the center over here from here, save it. Now you can see your paragraph is 5 centimeters away from the border, the left margin, you can say. So if you move it to 5 pixels, it will be 5 pixels away, or if you can say just 5%, or I'll make it as 30%. So what you can see, 30% of the page over here, 30% will be the space over there. So like this, using the text indent property, you can separate your text from the border. You can just mention some of the spaces between your text, the first word of the text and the border of your web page. After that, you have direction. In the direction, it is basically defines whether you want to write it as left to right or right to left. By default, it is left to right. We'll see how it is. It is the direction one. So I'll mention as RTL, and if I just save it, we can see it is from the right side. This is a sample paragraph, and the dot, it has gone from the right to left. By default, it is left to right. If I just save it, it is like this. So I'll just make it, and I'll write something after this also, and I put a full stop over here. So if I just refresh it, you can see your full stops are all in the right, not in the, they are all in the left, like they are from right to left. So thanks and have a nice day.